Hi there everyone, if you're new to juicing, I've just got a few tips here that I've found over the time that I've used. One, really important, put a plastic bag in your pulp container. That'll save washing that. Put all your fruit and veg in a bowl of water for 15 to 20 minutes with vinegar. That's like 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar, and you can drastically reduce your exposure to pesticides and bacteria doing that. Experts found that vinegar, white vinegar and water wash kills 98% of bacteria and removes pesticides. So I do that every time. I get all my fruit and veg from the local market, and I do that with everything. Well, obviously not potatoes, onions or garlic, but you get my drift. 3. Get all your fruit and veg ready, peeled, de-seeded, etc., weighed out, whatever you've got to do. And then always put your leaves in first, and then push them through with a high water content item like cucumber, celery, something to push it through. It makes it easier. Use a spatula to take any excess pulp from around the top and around the blades before your next juice, because it saves getting bits in your juice. When you come to doing the washing up, rinse all your items and get rid of all the bits before washing in soapy water. I never used to, but it's a lot easier. When you fill your jars, fill them as full as possible. The less air in there, the better. They keep great in the fridge for 48 hours, a maximum 72 if absolutely necessary, but I tend to stick to 48 hours. I just make 2 days worth in advance. Introduce juices slowly to your diet. If you're not used to them, you don't want to down it in one, you want to just drink it slowly. And then in 15 minutes you'll have nutrients whizzing around your bloodstream. If you don't like the taste, don't think, oh crap, I'm not doing that again. Change it, tweak it to the tastes that suit you. You know, it's not set in stone that you've got to have a certain recipe. You can juice whatever you want. Green juices do tend to split quite quickly, so don't worry about it. Just give it a shake or a stir before drinking. And finally, enjoy. Don't eat food like substances. Feed your body with the nutrients it needs and craves. Happy juicing to a healthy life. Thanks for watching.